So here I have open VS Code. Let's build it. uh, let's create a new folder here. These are the folders from folder other tutorials. So now let's make a new folder, games, and inside that folder create a folder, new epic games. Okay, now let's install hard hat here. Right click on it, open an integrated terminal. Latest we are in epic games folder where we want to create our project. Now let's write a command. As I have yarn, so I am using this command. You can use npm command as described here. Now let's install hardhead. So we have installed hardhead successfully. Now let's follow the steps. Now create a sample project. Create a JavaScript project. We want to save it on our same path. Yes, we want to add ignore file, and here it is, we have added. Now you need to install these dependencies to run the sample project. So let's add these dependencies first as we do required. So it's completed. Now let's move on to next instruction. Okay, now install OpenZeppelin. Is the library that we do required when we creating a smart contract. So let's install it also. Yarn add, and okay, now let's run our first contract. or just deploy, run the script. Here it is. We have a default contract and there is a deploy script. Now let's just run it. It's compiled once already smart contract, and here it is. Okay, it's deployed smart contract, and that's the address of a smart contract. So hardhead compiles a smart contract from Solidity bytecode. Hardcode will spin up a local blockchain on your computer. It's like a mini test version of Ethereum running on your computer to help you quickly test the stuff. Hardhead will deploy your compiled contract to your blockchain. That's the address you see at the end there. It's our deploy contract on our mini version of Ethereum. Here it is the address that we get. Is the address of our smart contract that we have deployed on our local blockchain. If you're curious, feel free to look at the code inside the project to see how it works. Specifically, check out the log.sol with a smart contract and deploy.js, which actually runs the contract. Once you are done exploring, let's head to the next section and start our actual game contract. So we have seen the contract. This is the contract. We have a function in it, and there's a deploy script which is deploying the smart contract. So these are the default files. Now let's see. Uh, Now let's submit the requirements. Pose a screenshot of your terminal with the output of deploy.js in progress. Uh, show you gotten your local env working. So let's take a screenshot of it. I'm using snipping tool. Here it is. I have copied it, and let's see. Okay, just save it. Yeah, and just submit it. Okay, so we are now we have completed the get local environment all setup. Now we are on running basic contract.